Indian 101 Scout. The 2026 Indian 101 Scout represents the most performance-focused machine in the Scout lineup, powered by a 250cc liquid-cooled V-twin, pushing out roughly 111 horsepower and 82 feet lbs of torque at 300 revolutions per minute. This engine provides crisp throttle response and plenty of mid-range punch, making it feel lively both around town and on open roads. With an MSRP of $16,999, it brings premium components such as upgraded suspension and strong braking that elevate the riding experience above a typical cruiser. The low seat height, at just over 25 inches, ensures a stable and confidence-inspiring feel for a wide range of riders. Comfort is surprisingly balanced for a performance-oriented machine. The ergonomics are relaxed enough for longer trips, while the chassis and power delivery invite more spirited riding when the road opens up. For riders wanting a cruiser that leans hard into sport performance without sacrificing everyday usability, the 101 Scout stands out as one of the most capable mid-size cruisers on the market. Harley-Davidson Street Bob. With its minimalist design and big-inch V-twin punch, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Street Bob offers a classic cruiser experience powered by the Milwaukee 8-117. Producing around 98 horsepower and 120 feet lbs of torque at just 500 revolutions per minute. This engine delivers the unmistakable low-end grunt Harley riders love. Starting at an accessible $14,999, the Street Bob provides excellent value for riders who want Harley performance without the added weight or cost of larger touring models. Its stripped-down look, mid-controls, mini-ape handlebars, and 25.8-inch seat height create an iconic cruiser silhouette while offering decent comfort for everyday riding. The suspension leans toward the firm side, giving spirited handling in urban environments but less plushness on long highway stretches. Even so, its strong character, lightweight chassis and customizable platform make the Street Bob one of the most appealing entry points into Harley's big displacement cruiser world. Honda Rebel 1100. Honda's 2026 Rebel 1100 blends modern engineering with cruiser-friendly ergonomics, powered by a 1084cc liquid-cooled parallel twin, derived from the Africa Twin adventure bike. Known for its reliable and smooth character, the engine delivers a broad torque curve that's especially friendly to newer riders, while still offering enough punch for experienced motorcyclists. Priced at $9,699, the Rebel 1100 stands out as one of the most affordable high-performance cruisers in its class, offering advanced electronics, a low 27.9-inch seat height, and excellent fuel efficiency. The bike's 6-speed manual gearbox gives riders a traditional, engaging cruising experience, while its lightweight chassis and balanced geometry contribute to easy handling at low speeds. Comfort-wise, the Rebel 1100's riding position is relaxed and neutral, making it suitable for commuting, weekend rides, or even longer trips with minimal fatigue. It's an ideal choice for riders wanting a modern, versatile cruiser without the bulk of heavier V-twin models. Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. A favorite among mid-size cruiser fans, the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic offers timeless styling and smooth power delivery from its 903cc liquid-cooled V-twin. Producing around 51 horsepower and 58.3 pound-feet of torque, the engine emphasizes easygoing, relaxed performance that suits leisurely cruising and daily riding. With a price of $9,599, the Vulcan 900 remains one of the most budget-friendly traditional cruisers, with genuine big bike presence thanks to its long 64.8-inch wheelbase, wide handlebars, and large front wheel. The seat is plush, roomy, and comfortable, making the bike an excellent option for long rides, especially for riders who prefer laid-back ergonomics and a stable, predictable feel. Its classic design combined with approachable handling makes the Vulcan 900 Classic a solid choice for new riders stepping into the cruiser world or veteran riders wanting a dependable, comfortable machine for everyday enjoyment. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is one of the most powerful and aggressive muscle cruisers on the market, boasting a massive 1,783cc V-twin, producing roughly 128 horsepower and 118 pound-feet of torque. With a price tag around $15,299, the M109R delivers sport bike level acceleration wrapped in cruiser form. Its wide 240mm rear tire, inverted front fork, and dual front discs give it excellent stability and braking performance. The riding position is stretched with forward controls and a low seat, creating a commanding feel on the road. While the suspension is firm and the bike is heavy, the payoff is straight-line performance and torque that few cruisers can match. Comfort is decent for shorter rides, though long-distance touring may require seat upgrades. Riders seeking one of the fastest and most visually imposing power cruisers will find the M109R unmatched in raw performance. Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. The Yamaha Bolt R-Spec is a stripped-down, minimalist cruiser featuring a 942cc air-cooled V-twin, producing around 51 horsepower and 59 pound-feet of torque. Priced near $8,899, the Bolt targets riders who want a simple, urban-friendly cruiser with cafe and bobber appeal. The compact frame and short wheelbase give it agile handling in city traffic, while the low 27.2-inch seat keeps the bike approachable for a wide range of riders. The R-Spec version improves comfort and feel with upgraded shock absorbers and stylish cast wheels. While the Bolt is best suited for short and medium-length rides due to its firmer ride and minimal wind protection, it remains one of the most customizable cruisers available. For riders wanting a light, affordable V-twin with a classic stance and excellent aftermarket support, the Bolt R-Spec is a top choice. Indian Scout Bobber Limited. Designed for riders who want attitude and presence, the 2026 Indian Scout Bobber Limited takes the classic Scout foundation and adds aggressive bobber styling alongside a powerful 250cc V-twin. Producing about 105 horsepower and 82 feet lbs of torque, the engine offers strong acceleration with a satisfying V-twin growl. Priced at $13,699, it represents excellent value, combining modern performance with minimalist styling cues such as shorter fenders, a slam stance, and a clean, stripped-down handlebar area. The bike's low 26.2-inch seat height contributes to a planted, compact feel, while the firmer suspension setup favors agility and responsiveness over plush, long-distance comfort. Riders will appreciate its lively handling in city environments, where its compact wheelbase and torquey motor make it easy to maneuver. The Scout Bobber Limited is ideal for riders who prioritize style, performance, and a raw riding sensation over touring comfort, perfect for short, exhilarating rides with unmistakable visual presence. Harley-Davidson Lowrider Street. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST continues to define the West Coast performance touring style with its powerful Milwaukee 8117 V-twin and signature fixed fairing. Power comes from a 923cc engine producing 114 horsepower and a massive 128 feet lbs of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute, giving the bike relentless roll-on performance for passing, climbing hills, or cruising at higher speeds. With an MSRP of $23,999, the Lowrider ST incorporates premium suspension, dual front disc brakes, and a sport-oriented chassis that make it surprisingly athletic for a bagger-style cruiser. Comfort is one of its strongest attributes. The bike's fairing, ergonomics, and supportive seat make long-distance travel much easier, while still preserving a low, aggressive stance. The 63.6-inch wheelbase adds stability on highways, and the combination of touring practicality and raw performance makes the Lowrider ST a favorite among riders who want big power and style without stepping up to a full-dress touring bike. Honda Rebel 1100 DCT. The 2026 Honda Rebel 1100 DCT takes everything great about the standard model and enhances it with Honda's advanced dual-clutch transmission. This technology offers smooth, clutch-free riding with the option to switch between automatic and manual shift modes, making the motorcycle incredibly easy to ride in traffic or on long-distance trips. Priced at $10,399, it offers exceptional value for riders wanting modern convenience without compromising power or performance. The same 1084cc engine delivers excellent mid-range strength and reliable efficiency, and the bike's low seat and upright ergonomics keep it accessible to riders of all sizes. Comfort is a standout feature on the DCT model because the rider doesn't have to operate the clutch. Fatigue is significantly reduced, especially during stop-and-go riding or extended tours. For riders seeking a future-leaning cruiser experience with far less effort, the Rebel 1100 DCT is one of the most compelling options in its class. Kawasaki Vulcan S650. Powered by a lively 649cc parallel twin producing about 61 horsepower, the Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out as one of the most beginner-friendly, yet capable mid-size cruisers available. Starting at around $7,349, it offers excellent value, especially with Kawasaki's ErgoFit system, which allows riders to adjust the seat, handlebars, and foot pegs to match their height and comfort preferences. This makes it one of the most ergonomic cruisers for riders of all sizes. The Vulcan S delivers smooth power, light clutch feel, and agile handling thanks to its sport-derived chassis, making it equally comfortable in city traffic or weekend highways. While not a traditional V-twin cruiser, its modern styling, approachable seat height, and rider-focused ergonomics make it perfect for new riders, or those wanting a comfortable, low-stress cruiser with sporty characteristics.